Today I'll be showing you how to install aftermarket intakes on your BMW M3 or M4. I'm not exactly sure what brand intakes I have since I bought them from someone, but they look similar to VRSF. I'm guessing some Alibaba brand. The tools needed include a flathead, Phillips head, 10mm, 13mm, T20, torque wrench for reinstalling the strut brace, and a trim removal tool for removing a plastic screw to make pulling out the strut brace easier. Everything I used is linked in the video description. I began by removing the strut brace. To do this, you need to turn the 10mm screws on these two plastic covers to access the additional strut bar bolts. After you undo those, just move the cover to the side and maybe place a towel under to protect your fenders. Now do the same on the other side. Next, you will use your 13mm to remove the strut brace bolts. There are 3 on each corner and 2 more in the front. And 1 more 10mm bolt to remove from the side. Next, I used my trim removal tool to remove this plastic screw so I could pull the strut brace out easier. Careful not to damage your carbon fiber strut brace. They are really expensive to replace. Now you can start unscrewing your MAF sensor screws using the T20. I completely removed both intakes before I started installing the new ones, but you can also remove one side and install the new intakes before you move on to removing the other stock intake and installing the next intake. After that, I used my flathead to loosen the clamps connecting the stock pipes. From here, just unhook the remaining pieces and begin removing the stock intake. Same thing on the other side, just pull it out. Now use your flathead to loosen the last clamp and pull the inlet out. Now with one clamp on, you can install and tighten the new coupler. Next, you take the shorter pipe and reconnect your MAF sensor with the T20. From there, you can add the second clamp onto the coupler and install the new pipe. It is a tight fit. Next, you take the air filter and install it. Now on the other side, there is one more bolt to remove, which will be used to hold the new intake in place. From here, you can install the new pipe and bolt it down. My MAF sensor couldn't reach, so I had to disconnect it using a small flathead and move it around. This might not be an issue with your intake kit. After this, you screw in your MAF sensor. Now the final step is to install your second air filter. From there, you reinstall your strut brace. These pictures from Beamer Post say the torque spec for those bolts is 28 Newton meters, so that's what I did. Before you start the car up, double check that you reconnected everything properly. And that is it for the install. Check the video description for links to everything I used. I will end with some sound clips, but note that the turbo noises are much louder in person than what my GoPro picked up.